Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make this really beautiful pasta. Spinach, mushrooms, cream and tomatoes. Not going to take long at all. It is fabulous. Just serving this with a little tomato salad. Let's go and have a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got my spinach. Give that a nice wash. You know, you get little bits of dirt and grit in it, so give it a nice wash into some cold water. We're going to chop that a little bit later. 1 can of tomatoes, white mushrooms, I've cut them quite chunky. Pasta, I'm using the penne pasta, as you just saw. Cooked and ready. We're really going to concentrate on the sauce, so get whichever pasta you want ready. Cream, now I always get lots of questions about this. I'm using a thick cooking cream. You can use a thick cream or a thin cream, it's not going to make any difference. Oregano, onion, garlic. Just to let you know, I've got 250 grams of these guys. That's a 400 ml. The cream's 250 ml. That's 1 onion, that's 1 tablespoon, that's 1 tablespoon. All of the ingredients are going to be in the list below. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper. That's about it. It's delicious. Let's get moving. Okay, so here we go. I've got my pan here. You're going to need some sort of pan or something, obviously. I've got some olive oil in there. On a medium heat. Not going to go crazy with this one. In goes the onion. In goes the chopped garlic. I'm going to go for about 4 minutes on a medium heat. I'll see you then. Super stuff. Next up, we're going to drop in our mushrooms. So I've cut mine quite chunky. You can cut them much smaller if you want. And again, stay on this medium heat. About another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. This is going to be very easy and really tasty. Okay, next up, we're going to get our spinach in. And what I've done with our spinach, I've just chopped it a little bit. You can cut it much more than that if you want. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit now. And get this going for about another 5 minutes. Keep it moving. What's going to happen is it's going to cook down. It will really reduce down to pretty much nothing. And we may get a certain amount of moisture or water in the pan once that's done. See you in 4 or 5. Looking really good. And as you can see, the spinach has reduced right down. Let's now get our dried herb in. I'm using oregano. If you want, you could use thyme, basil, one of those Italian mixed spices or whatever you want to use there. Salt, black pepper, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add in that 1 can of tomatoes. These were a plum whole tomato, which I just crushed roughly with my hand. Let's get the heat back to a nice medium. 6 minutes, give it a stir every now and then. So this is looking absolutely beautiful. And you can have it just like this if you want. We're now going to add the cream in. And like I say, I'm using a thick cream. You can use a single cream, which is a runny cream. Doesn't make any difference really. So we've got 250 ml of cream, 400 ml, which is a regular sized can of tomatoes. If you wanted, you could drop some Parmesan cheese in here now. I'm not going to, I'm going to have it just like this. We're going to stay on this kind of medium heat for 4 minutes. Then I'm going to drop our pasta in there and give it a mix, and we're pretty much done. Give it a stir every now and then. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's grab our pasta. Our cooked pasta, in that goes. Just going to change spoons, and just for about another 2 or 3 minutes, because this pasta is now cold, I'm going to work it in the sauce, getting the sauce in, on and around, giving it a nice mix. I'll see you at the table. I think I'm going to make a little salad with this, a very simple tomato salad. Very, very simple. So I'm just going to serve this with a really simple tomato salad. So a couple of tomatoes there, just cut nice and chunky. I've got some beautiful Kalamata olives there. Sliced white onion. We're going to add some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. Alright, and that's done. So we've got a nice, beautiful pasta, mushrooms, spinach, cream and tomato. Nice little super easy salad. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a lot. Do leave a comment, we like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.